It's not your average repair shop, and the mechanic is out of this world. I'm John Bartell, and this is Coyote's Flying Saucer Retrieval and Repair Shop. Located on the westernmost edge of Imperial County in Jacamba Hot Springs, this roadside attraction is just off Interstate 8 near the historic Desert Tower.
Give us your coordinates, and we'll come and get you back in the air.
This is Coyote, junkyard artist and self-proclaimed UFO mechanic.
Yeah, he's got a broken down beryllium sphere on the plaza expansion chamber.
According to Coyote, there's no shortage of distress calls in the Jacamba Hot Springs area.
What'd you do? You did what? Hold on.
And as you would expect, the broke-down UFOs attract a lot of photographers. And if you're lucky, Coyote will even pose for your picture.
Yahoo! Yahoo!
When the sun sets over the hills, that's when the sci-fi movies start. Admission is free, and yes, it's okay to talk during the film. Why do they call you Coyote?
'Cause that's my spirit animal.
Oh. If you've never been in a flying saucer, this is your chance. What do the aliens want from us?
They want peace, love.
You don't have to believe in aliens to visit the Flying Saucer Repair Shop, but you may want to keep an open mind. There's a lot of weird stuff in the sky.
He's gonna land down behind the mountain. I'll be going over there to get him later too, it looks like. See, always busy up here.
From the Flying Saucer Repair Shop in Jacamba Hot Springs.
Now, if you hear banjo music, go hide in the bushes.
I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the back road.